Okay, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Novatazz, and you are watching Novatazz Customs. This is my 79 Trans Am. Alrighty guys, welcome to 2019. 2019. Anyway, first video of 2019. I am sorry, I'm going to say this right up front. I am sorry for no uploads. The SIM card in my camera messed up and I lost all of the footage from the last time I'm here, which I will go over what we did in a minute. No, I am not wearing one of my shirts. This is a Send It Steve hoodie. If you have not watched his channel yet, he's another local YouTuber around me, and I have watched him grow, tremendous to me just in the last year. He's one of my favorite channels to watch recently, and actually the first piece of merch I have bought from a automotive YouTuber ever. So I do have my hoodies for sale. Let's see, let me go get one. Anyway, like I said, I do have my hoodies here, as you can see. Really nice print. Let's see. All of my information on the back. But, like I said, I do have my hoodies here. But today, I'd like to do a little bit of a flashback. So I'd like to go back to some of the things that we did in the last year. So we did, can you even see it? Where is it? Yep, you can see it. It's right there in front of that Ford truck. We did work a lot on the Dodge this year. Did not get that running and driving as I would like it. Replaced every part, but I think the part that I need to replace, so hopefully we get that done within the next couple of months. It's just a matter of going and buying the part and then ripping that transmission out again. Ugh. I do have a new shirt coming and logo design for the Dodge Ram. I might post that right here. But we also got the Trans Am moving under its own power. Not that it's doing that right now, but it did move. It did run under its own power. It did a little bit of a burnout. It's not running right because it needs a carburetor. But we found out that the rad support was rotted, and that was what we did at the end of the year. We tore apart this rad support, which, looking back, I realized I never posted me actually disassembling this rad support to put it back together. We did weld it back together, and then we have the footage that I had lost, which is cleaning it up and painting it, which you can see is all nice and black. It's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. I'm not looking for it to be perfect. It still has some rust holes, as you can see, but not in any area that I am concerned about. So we're going to get this back in the car, hopefully today. We're going to get the front subframe aligned, again, hopefully today. But first things first, I have to fix a flat tire, or a tire with a nail in it on that thing, before I can get doing anything else. So without any further stalling, let me get that Kia over here, get the tire off of it, and see if we can repair the plug, which I do have a video of. I posted a couple months ago about how to plug a tire while it's still on the car. So let's get to this, and I already babbled enough. All right. So for those of you guys that noticed, yes, that was a different camera. We now have a little action cam on the channel, so hopefully we can get some cool shots with this, and when we get these cars on the road, we can get some driving shots. So, all right. Oh, as you can see, there's the source of our leak. So we're going to have to remove that. And alright, it's dried for a little bit. We're going to fill it up there and see if it holds air. Alright, while that stuff dries, go over the rad support here. This is the end that we fixed over here. So, I mean, other than a few spots, you're not really going to tell that I did it at a glance, which is what the point is. Also, it's strong enough to go back on the car, which we need to clean the car all up. This battery's dead already. Good thing I got a spare. So let's get this car cleaned off and we'll get to that. Alright, so before I lay this back up on here, I'm going to clean up these mounts where the pads where the rad support mounts hit, and clean them up and hit them with some rust preventative just to protect them a little bit. Alright, obviously it's only locked into place. Obviously the fenders and all that need to be put on so that way everything can be adjusted. But the rad support is back on the vehicle. To put the radiator back down where it belongs and all that stuff. But another thing that still needs to be done is I still do need to pick up the front end of this car and make sure that the subframe is aligned to the body before I can put the fenders and everything on. So it's nice to see this all solid again, I can tell you that. Alright. Alright guys, I got the front end sitting back on, nothing's bolted in, it's just all sitting here. Kind of wanted to conclude the video here as I got to get ready to go. So I have the tire to put back on the car, but I wanted to let you guys know that we are going to get it done this year in 2019. This is getting back on the road, the truck is going back on the road, and the Nova is going to go in the shop. So, late. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please hit that like button. You don't know how important that is. I am so close to YouTube actually pushing my content. I just need more comments and more likes or dislikes if you dislike it, and shares. Come on, guys. Get my channel out there. Help me grow, and I will promise I will bring great stuff. So I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully we have this whole front end back all aligned together, and the car pretty much ready to drive out of here. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.